Cleansing micellar gel or gelée micellaire. This cleanser removes makeup, or in French, démaquillant. And again, this stuff, the fragrance just blows me away every time I use it. I just love to smell the stuff. And it's a clear gel, as you know, but it's just, I mean, it's like, to me, it's like a spa, like you're going into a spa and you just want to relax and chill out. And yeah, it just has a great feeling. It cleanses the skin beautifully. You know, and and I'll explain, of course, why this is special. This cleanser removes makeup, as we talked about. As soon as you apply the cleanser, you're hit with this amazingly wonderful, it's a clean scent that blows your socks off. This is the best smelling cleanser, honestly, that I've ever had the pleasure to use. My wife, Joni, uses it nightly to remove her makeup. In the morning, we use it to freshen and awaken our skin and our senses. So what is micellar? It can be sold as a water or as a gel, as in this product. It contains micellar droplets of cleansing oil suspended in water or gel. That's why it's mild yet effective. It also has skin softening properties, and it won't sting your eyes. That's really cool. So if your skin is very oily, there's two types of micellar. So there's the one more for general oily skin, and then for the more dry kind of normal skin, which is what this one that I used is. So you have to differentiate between the two depending on your skin type. What makes Cerule's gel special is that it contains apricot oil and isotonic seawater again, and also the Ascophyllum Nodosum, that brown algae we talked about before, as well as lactic acid. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, which are used in a lot of products, which are awesome. I love alpha hydroxy products. I've been using them for years. That reduces acne, it brightens the skin, and removes dead skin cells. So that's really important. So as you can see, it's not just an ordinary cleanser. And again, what's important is you want to start with that first. Obviously, cleansing, really good cleansing with the micellar gel is going to get rid of that bacteria, some dead cells, the stratum corneum. It's going to prepare your skin platform or surface for the next product, which would be the serum. And that's step 2. Step 3 would be the CC cream. So you want to wait a few minutes before you do the instant tensor serum, and wait a few minutes before you apply the cream, because you want each to sink in and do its thing and start getting in there before you do the next thing. Same thing if you want to apply makeup or sunscreen, you want to wait in between. It also prevents sometimes some patients will see this so-called pilling, this sort of, it's just the product sort of balling up. That happens only because you're just applying it too quickly. So let it soak in, let it do its thing, and don't be stingy. Use the product. Again, I'm telling you, the more you use it, the better. And if you have a special event coming up on a Saturday or something like that, starting on Monday or earlier, use it more. Use it 2 times a day, 3 times a day. And particularly, you're going to notice a really ramping up of tightness and glow to your skin, which is really cool. So in other words, if you do the skincare, you've got to do it regularly. You're going to notice radiant glow, and over time, a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You will look more youthful and healthy. So I think it's a fantastic lineup of skincare products. Somebody says, Doreen, I have sensitive skin around my eyes, and the cleanser can be applied with no reaction at all. Thank you. Best cleanser I've ever used. I've now been using the skincare products for 9 to 10 months. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, exactly. It is wonderful. And I think that's the whole reason that Andy and Jonna went with Fabienne about the micellar gel. And that's the point, is that it's mild. You can take off your makeup. And yet, if it gets in your eyes, it's not going to bother your eyes. So that, I think, is very important.